man, sick and psychotic. You don't know BRYKO Blaze there in England, you see me? I want to big up Jamaican life, abroad, TV, and that with the pan right now, you see me? And I'm a view with lifestyle in England as some Jamaican, you see me? But they are on the end still, you see it? I'm show you what I go and come in.
Come, just it. What's in there? What's in the pot, yeah, so he said it's stew concan. What he says in that one? Yeah, and he just got the peas boiling down, yeah? It's right here, it's on the front page, Jamaican Life Abroad TV. Nothing I can do about the music, but as you can see, that is on fire, yeah? There he is, Big Smokes.
They do some music and sit there, you see me? The support system in England for music not really strong like that, you see me? But we still have to go and do it, you see me? And we this as the same way as Jamaica. Yeah man, I suffer too.
Alright, so what's this now? I hear that you're an artist.
Yeah.
Alright, hear what you do.
Yeah. Yo.
Give me some bars then. Cause like everybody come and say I'm an artist, but you look like you're the real deal. So yeah, man, we're gonna need some bars from you, you know, as we say in England, but as you say, it is why you freestyle, yeah?
Yeah.
Jamaican Life Abroad TV, let's
have it. Rifle upon the stand amount of grains them out to get. From them violate the links, go knock them out, me say. Friend them full up of craziness, and if them out for test me cheek a finger, never go lazy, even enough up in the nest. Some say them know me when me even know me yet. Me vehicle them a German and my rifle Soviet. Man, I have to make $1 million before me there. Because the 7 figures stuck up in a me, man. Doggies. Remember good and don't forget me spend a couple £1,000 for put that beer around my neck. And if you shoot not talk, I say that. Yeah. Well then, anything I say, I only say it cause it's facts. I'ma keep it so real, you ain't even gotta ask. Only time I'm lying when it's time to pay my tax. Running up this tax, niggas running off with packs. Then, all they really do is just put my money where my mouth is, now we out here running racks. Niggas say they on it when they really should relax. You ain't talking shit if you ain't talking about no care. Yeah man, you see it?
Already go. Back to the way, get some act right.
That is it, my father, you see it?